Hello friends, my name is Ridho Ikhsani from Electrical Engineering, and I'm gonna show you about safety precautions during electrical control panel maintenance. Okay, so let's get started. Brief explanation of an electrical control panel. Industrial equipment and machines require defined functions and orderly control to achieve their various process goals. Electrical control panels carry out these functions within manufacturing equipment. In its simplest terms, an electrical control panel is a combination of electrical devices which use electrical power to control the various mechanical functions of industrial equipment or machinery. This is the example of electrical control panel using PLC, programmable logic control, and HMI, human-machine interface. Before starting work, provide knowledge to all the workers long before the project begins, and then provide information on risks, dangers, and accidents that can occur during the time of work to all the workers. Ensure all quality of electrical and mechanical appliances are in good condition. After that, ensure all safety equipment is in good condition. Wear all safety equipment before work. Read every procedure of work completely. And don't forget to pray to God. And the next one is during maintenance work. First is understand the risks. Recognize potential electrical hazards to prevent accidents. Use proper equipment. Employ tools with non-conducting handles and wear protective gear. Avoid water. Keep equipment away from water to prevent shocks. Check for damage. Regularly inspect electrical tools and equipment for signs of damage. Follow regulations. Adhere to local electrical safety regulation and standards. Follow instruction manuals. Get the work done by finishing step by step of the instruction. And the last one is measure all installation. Check the measurement of voltage, ampere, and resistance. Make sure all of it in normal values. And this is the photo taken when I was in competition of LKS industrial control back in 2022. And the last one is finishing work. Use cable ties and mounts to tie up the installation cable perfectly to the place. Close all cable in the trunk with the trunk's cover. Unplug all the electrical appliances and put it far away from water. Place it back to the tool bag or tool shelves. Clean up the floor and pick up every leftovers and put it in the bin. Put the sign of electrical hazard and electrical panel operation instruction on the door panel. Write down all the report and merge it to one book of job report. And that's all. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.